You like it right there?
Yeah, it's a little quicker to stretch, but it'll work.
I'm gonna use this to cut the heat out, honestly, too. Now that we got a grinder. Oh, dude, you kind of got that little messed up there.
Yeah.
You're gonna cut it wrong, cut it long.
Oh, what the fuck? Now that shit lined up over here. Who the fuck understands you right here?
It's okay, I'll just make it as ugly as possible for you. Ready?
Alright, that's good.
Is this line straight? That looks a little crooked to me. I like my line. See, it almost, yeah, I guess I did cut it crooked.
That's good enough right there, buddy.
Yep.
Just cut the little slits in that for that other one, and then we'll be good.
Cut the slit. Oh, so I want to cut here?
Yeah.
Oh, do I just have to like just... I was gonna say, if you give me a mark, I can cut it. Oh, okay, so you're just saying...
That.
And then I'll mark up my... I'll cut the insulation out for my heater and then get that cut too.
In the meantime, I'm gonna figure out how the fuck we're gonna get this shit up there.
Get one up there.
This fucking
Yeah, it's gonna suck, dude. Poor dad.
there's no one for us to get it up there almost.
That look good to you, like there?
Yeah, that looks good.
One of the greens. Like it?
Fucking beautiful right there, buddy.
All right. Do you want before you do that? Do you want me to cut out the heato?
You can. That's fine.
Okay. So we still one on the side, right? Get that heato. I want to heat to me so I can get it pressed.
Yep.
I'm gonna cut that insulation a little bit bigger. That's good with you. Like here. Or do you think just cut it to the size of the heato?
Not cut it a little bit bigger. And then I'll show you a little trick on how to cut them. Dude, our fucking ladder is not gonna fit.
What?
Our ladder is not gonna fucking fit up there.
Oh, for that other piece? You know what I mean?
Cut it this way.
What? Oh, are you saying the X? Oh. And then tuck it under?
There's supposed to be a V right here. That way this V can go over this flat.
Oh, that's what you're saying the trick. I was like, I thought you were saying like just cutting metal.
Yeah, put it to this side.
Shoot, my bad. So you just want it tucked then?
Bless you.
Hey, good work, Dad. Good job, David!
Eric, back to work, man.
Dude, Alec, I'm trying my best over here. I'm just a guy trying to figure it out, okay? I'm just kidding, Alec. You're doing a great job. Alec, you're my favorite Alec I've ever met. You're not the only one, actually.
You gonna tell me some crazy story about how you ran into Alec Baldwin somewhere?
What?
You gonna tell me some crazy story about how you ran into Alec Baldwin somewhere?
No, it was some kid that was pole vaulting for me. I thought I told you the story, but I guess not. I probably did, but I mean, people tune out my stories 99% of the time.
You know, somebody's gotta get some more fame.
I mean, yeah. I mean, you're just doing such a great job of that.
Yeah?
Hey, there's a reason you're showing me how to do it, right?
Do what?
There's a reason you're the one showing me how to do it, right?
Right.
What are you giggling about, Cecil?
Beautiful.
Woo! This is my favorite part of the day. Every day I get to play with the grinder. That's Devin's everyday lifestyle.
Are you sure you don't want to use the thing?
Yep. Dude, we probably should use the snips for this. Can't even lie. Hey, it's not too late.
But you can still use the fucking turbo screw for
Yeah, do you want to get those? I'll pop a corner out. Oh.
You got it?
Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. I gotta get better somehow, right? Even if it takes you all day. If Matt asks why you were so behind today, just say, have been faster than the grinder, ain't gonna lie.
Turbo cheers, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
And that's why we wear gloves. Thank you, sir.